Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove your PayPal from your Beacons AI? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to disconnect or remove your PayPal from your Beacons AI? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses through your Beacons AI, you know that sometimes PayPal can put your funds on hold, so maybe you would rather just remove your PayPal as a payment option. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disconnect the PayPal account from your Beacons so that way your customers can't pay through PayPal, go ahead and click on your profile icon down here on the bottom left. Once you do that, you'll see this drop-down menu, and you want to click here on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your profile on Beacons AI. However, to remove or delete your PayPal as a payment method, up here on the top, you're going to see these 5 options. Click on payments. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the payment options you have connected to your Beacons. You can see I just have these 2. And in order to disconnect your PayPal, over here to the right next to the PayPal logo, click on these 3 dots. Okay, once you do that, you'll see these 2 options and click on delete. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this warning. Are you sure you want to disconnect your PayPal account? If you want to continue to accept payments through PayPal, you will have to log back in and reconnect the PayPal. If you're okay with that, click on disconnect. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my PayPal has been removed from my Beacons AI. So now my customers can no longer make a payment through PayPal. They can still make payments through Stripe though. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your PayPal from your Beacons AI account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.